Hey, for all my fishing enthusiasts out there, got to check out this fishing tool kit here from HAUSHOF. This is a 4-piece kit. You're going to have this lip gripper here, this multi-tool plier with a belt loop case, and this hook remover. HAUSHOF really put a lot of thought into the way they made these things. The grip on this feels great in your hand. It has a non-slip grip because, you know, a lot of times your hands are going to be wet out there. And it's very easy to grip when, just look at the little curve on this so that when you grip it like this, and for me, like putting this right here in the palm of my hand here, it's like the perfect fit. This here, another thing is these are saltwater resistant. No longer you have to put your hand in the fish's mouth. Of course, if you're doing something like a largemouth bass, that's not going to be a big deal. But a lot of those fish have teeth. You can just open, look at that, it just opens right up, closes. And if I try to pull this apart, I can't do it. So this lip gripper is supposed to be able to hold up to about 66 pounds. I don't have something at 66 pounds readily available, but I just bought some cat litter here, 38 pounds, not opened yet. Holds it real nice and easy. And this fish hook remover, look here how it has that curve in there, and then the grip, and then you have the grip up here. It just contours and it fits right in your hand. It feels great. And I really like the color on this. It's got this blue camo color, so it's great for being out around the water. This thing is super easy to use. You see it has the little hook there. I like how it's real nice and deep. It can go right, in case your hook gets down real far into the fish, you can reach right in there. See how that grips it real nice and tight. Slides down in there, it has that groove. Pliers is one of the things that I use the most. I use these to get hooks out. I use these for holding the hook when I am putting a new hook on the line. Right in here, you can cut your line with this. Oh, went through that like butter. Real nice and easy. I like that. It's better than the scissors I've been using. So it has this little lip on it here. And then the grip. You have some grip right in there. And then it has this crimping part right here. And then the feel in your hand again. Look at the grip, the way it's made. And then it has these pliers holder and it has this belt loop here. So one of the things that I always have a hard time with my pliers when I'm out fishing is where to keep them. And quite often I was just sliding them in my back pocket, which to be honest can be kind of gross after you've been using them for a while. So this little holster here is great. You can just right here, it's got a Velcro. You can just lift one hand, pull it out. You have your pliers at your disposal. You can put it right back in. Real nice and simple. I really like that. And you don't have to worry about losing them. Even if they slipped out of your hand, fell, they're attached. That's really, really cool. And both the fish hook remover and the pliers have this carabiner clip on it. So you could either hook it up to this holster, or you could just put it right on a belt loop. Like so, especially for that fish hook remover. You can have it right there, not have to worry about it falling off your boat, falling off the dock. So let's face it, anytime you go to the store, you're probably stopping and looking at your fishing equipment, whether you need something or not. This is definitely a need I didn't know I needed. I really like these pliers a lot more than the ones I've been using. And with the lip gripper and this hook remover, it's a game changer with fishing.